Hi everybody. Wanted to show you my nails. I am wearing Royal Aura, and you can see they're metallic and then they have a little bit of a purple flash when the light catches them. So they are very gorgeous. These are LED cured strips. I think those are going to be my favorites, the LEDs, because they stay like with my natural nails, but they stay on, they stay super shiny, they don't chip. Love it, love it, love it. But I got a few more orders. I just ordered two separate orders separately because I wanted to get the free LED lamps with them. So I did it in two different orders so I could do it that way. But I wanted to show you some of the other strips that I had not previously shown before. So I figured I would go live and show you all what I got. Got some more easy remover. That is necessary and amazing, but necessary for any of our product lines that we sell. It removes the press-ons, the LEDs, and the gel strips very easily. So here's my extra LED lamp. So right now, if you go to NailedItWithKelly.com and then click on the top box that says order, it'll take you straight to my Clio website, and you can get the free LED lamp with the purchase of any 3 LED strips. So you put the 3 strips in your cart, and then the lamp will auto-populate at $0. There's no coupon needed or anything like that. It just pops in there at $0, so you can get your free lamp. So that's like, I think my go-to for recommendations for first-timers is to get 3 of the LED strips, the free lamp, and a remover. That would be my recommendation for your very first ever Clio order. So let me move these off to the side, but then I want to show you what I had purchased. So this first one, I may have already shown you this one before. See if I can get the light to catch this. This is called Drama Fan. It's one of our press-ons, and I don't know if you can see the cat eye effect that happens at the tips. It is gorgeous. It's like it moves when you move, when the light is catching it, and it's like a little bit of maybe a magenta and a teal color at the tips, and then it's black for the rest of the nail. If these are too long for you, you can still get that if you like that design and just trim them back. This is one of our square designs. This is like a navy blue, super dark with metallic. It is called Dream Bigger. And when you look at them in the light, again, it's got that cat eye effect. It looks almost like it glows from within. And that's kind of difficult to catch on the screen, but you can see it a little bit there. They're so pretty. Blue is my favorite color, so when I saw these, I knew that I needed to get them. And then I got another set of Drama Fan, because I know people are gonna want them, and I'm sharing them with some of my best clients. So these are one of the LED sets. It is called Shining Sands, and they are inside packaging, like we can't see them because we need to protect them from light, because obviously they cure with LED light, so you don't want them just hanging around. You want to keep them protected. Andrea, hi. I know, Drama Fan. I haven't worn it yet. I gave away the one that I had, so I ordered 2 of them here. So maybe I'll get to wear it this time. I don't know. There's so many that I want to wear. It's like we don't have enough time to trade out our manicures that often. Okay, what did I say this is again? Shining Sands. This is a neutral with, I would say, a shimmer, like a pop of shine and shimmer to it. gorgeous for those of my girls that like more of the neutral based colors. So it's like it is a solid color with a shimmer flash is the way I would describe it. Right? Not enough fingers, correct? Not enough fingers, not enough like days to be able to, I feel bad if I like take my manicure off super early, but I guess it is what it is. Sometimes we'll have to do that. After you've used your LEDs, make sure you put them back in the bag and seal that back up, okay? That will protect them from the light. And you can see on the back, it has the name of the set and then also has like a little picture of the set. So once you have this at home and it's in your stash, then you can at least tell what the set is just by the labeling that's on the back. So that's nice. This next one is called Chic Couture. We'll see what this one looks like. I am just opening these up so you guys can actually see the actual strips, because the pictures, it's kind of hard to tell like what the finish is, you know, if it's a cat eye finish, if it's got shimmer to it, or if it's a straight up cream and doesn't have a fit and finish like that. So this is a French tipped. Oh, look at that. All right, so these are really cool. I would say that the base of it is a translucent pink that you can see. It's very translucent at the very base, like this would be back by your cuticle, and then gets a little bit more pink. And then there is a shimmery white as the French tip. That is really nifty. I know, it is so hard to catch it on the video, but I can definitely see it a little bit better than the little pictures. But yeah, it's definitely got a real pretty shimmery finish, almost silvery to the French side of the strip. So again, that's Chic Couture. And then this next one is called Glitterati. And we'll see what this one looks like for you. I love this packaging. It's so pretty and branded, like even inside we've got the Kleo K is on the inside. Very sharp. Whoever came up with all of that is amazing. Oh my. All of my glitter girls. All right, let me see if I take the protective cover off, if it'll show up better on the camera. Look at all of that glitter. And so again, it's clear at the base, and then it's like they did a glitter dip more saturated towards the rest of the strip. And I would say this is kind of, I would say a little bit of silver, a little bit of gold, and then also iridescence. So I think anybody, you know, whether you are somebody who enjoys wearing gold more or silver more, these are gorgeous, right? Andrea had not seen this one in person yet. That's so pretty. All of my gold lovers are going to go gaga over that. Okay, so now I need to open up my other package. I know for sure it's got an LED light in there, because again, I want to be able to share that with my ladies. So I've got an LED light in here, and then I got some more press-ons and more gels. Let me show you the rest of these gels. This one is called Girls Girl. This one I have seen, but I already sold it, so I wanted to grab another one because it was so gorgeous. And so I knew either myself is going to wear this or one of my ladies will be wearing this. So this is Girls Girl. Oh, yeah, Andrea, I don't know about overlaying just because these are like a little thicker, but I would definitely try it. Okay, so Girls Girl is a very translucent pink at the base. This is going to be backed by your cuticle. And then it kind of goes more into a pink the closer it gets to the edge. And then look at all of the iridescent glitter that's on there. This is such a sharp, I love these, especially when they're clear like that at the base. Even as your nail grows out, you won't see the growth so much. You know, it won't be quite so obvious because the edge of that strip is going to be more clear. So I think those will be very good for people who wear theirs for a longer amount of time. This is called Not Gilty, G-I-L-T-Y. So this is a metallic one, I believe. So let's check this one out. Okay. Alrighty. So this one, I'm going to take this off, the protective coat off just for a second so you can see that. I would say this is almost like a pewter that also has a gold to it. It's not like in your face crazy yellow gold, but it's also not silver either. What would you call that? I don't know. Platinum? Champagne. That would be my color, I would say. More of a champagne metallic. That's gorgeous. I could see that going really well with like anybody's complexion. Again, so like whether you're a silver girl, you wear gold, it doesn't matter. I think that one's going to go well with everybody's complexion. And Raspberry Rush. I've been seeing so many nail fees with this. People are loving this one. Let me show you it. It's so pretty. So this one I had, but I gave it to my best friend because her favorite OPI color is a raspberry color like this with a purpley flash. Can you see that? Let me take off this layer a little bit. Look at that. So it's shimmery and then also flashes purple in the light. It's so hard to get it on the camera, but it is a gorgeous berry color, and then it's got the flash of purple. I don't know if I can get it. There you go. You can see a little bit there. So, yeah, love that one. So pretty. Really on trend for spring. And then I've got a couple of press-on nails that I'm going to share with you. So this one is called 5 Star. This is a square set that I would say it's like almost a ombre French. So it looks very shimmery, like it's got a really pretty shimmery overlay. And it goes almost from like a champagne or tan at the base and then changes into more of the white at the top. And that one's 5 Star. This is going to be my next manicure. So I had asked all of my people, all of my ladies that follow me, if I should do the blue or these red. They're called Scarlet Success. And they are a square press-on set. And they look at them in the light. They look like they are glowing in person. The light just catches them, and they've got such a depth of color to them. I just love them. I can't wait to wear these. And then the final one I'm going to share with you is called No Rules Nutmeg. And this is a square set as well. Trying to get it so you can see. There you go. It's almost like it's got a little bit of an ombre effect as well. More translucent at the base, and then it gets a little less translucent at the edge of your nail. That is really sharp. It's right. No Rules Nutmeg. But I would say this leans more towards like a deep mauve, like a tan that's got a mauve undertone. So that is I love that as a nice neutral color, really sharp. That is everything that I got in my packages. Oh, I know, Andrea, right? It's so hard to pick. They're all so pretty. I love that there is something for everybody here. My two favorites for sure are the LEDs and the press-ons, but we also carry the gel strips as well, and you put those on and you don't have to cure them. So I would love for you to check it out. You can always reach out to me personally if you need some help choosing your first order or deciding what to get. Or you can go directly to NailedItWithKelly.com and just click on the top box that says order here, and it'll take you directly to my website. So I'm glad that you were here. Thanks for hopping on, Andrea. And I hope everybody loves all these colors and that you check them out for yourself and give Cleo a try, because once you try these, you're going to be hooked. I love it. All right. Have a great day. Bye.